Kakot kabadai halor uba PR Kindia ubala klat no kabla tho de uba Andrew Simon pat kawai halor ka Meghalaya kabla tho de ka Professor Phiban Khamti ranga pat Professor Sidaswar Sharma la pelaj pai ba no hakar phlai trik nai lur de lampang ge yeng dorbar tho an ka jilaw 80 mandal lembat commentary kakot ka khia kong Roshan Wazri kakot balajer keteng PR Kindia as I know him kadai kabla kran halor ka chinge kendu chung unong tho haki jingi terekam bat utai nong yelam papau nam kejela. Kani kakot kapen kan mau biang ikipat ba ya katu kapor kabau PR Kindia ula syajit kumu lampang kayeng terbar bat kumno bu udan keti kaban pen kelam iki sarkar kipadan apo kajing yelam jong purnu e sangma house nem syajar kendai spa kendai po jong ba bibiling do house nem syajar kendai spa kendai puai kajing kelam jong sarkar Pelayalam da Congress ka United Meghalaya Parliamentary Forum UMPF hapo ka jingelam upurnu esang ma kala pelong ya ka Meghalaya United Parliamentary Party MUPP balayalam do ba pipiling do banchimti ka jingsenchar hakapor bulong kumulampang ka yeng dorbar ula weng de khotru yakisan ngur ki MLA Independent Usnam Syajar kandai spa kandai puai katai ka kot ba kandai spa ndu pu arsla ka penpau ru ya ka jingkran jungpa PR Kindia Haka United Nations Lok Sabha halor ka Constitution Amendment Bill haka hendrio terik jemang arajalai berkumjur hapo yeng dorbar tho an jong kajela habakran haka jingelang ulampang ka yeng dorbar u iti mandal ulaong uba PR Kindia uri uriu kraw kasan hima sima jong kajela berka jingno sinyang jong u kamlong tang ya kajela ndai ka ri hibaro kawai haka bai dei bakot Meghalaya blatho ka Professor Phiban Khamti ranga but Professor Sidaswar Sharma Mandal long kani ka de ka kot ka baning kong ha ka chala hadin ka jingmi thuma jung South Lake District ulai buram yekinong tho ba requirement ba kani ka kot kan yarap ba ajungmen toy shikat de e yekinong puli khamtam ki khna school par ki to ki ba pentbet haki kardan ba shalor
I do hope and believe that this book not only will serve for the students in the lower classes but also will help for the research scholar who want to study, who want to do research on Meghalaya. Let me have this opportunity to congratulate both the writers for penning down this book, and I do hope and wish that this will be not the last edition. The next edition should come very quickly. Of course, this is the only book which has been written after creation of the 4 new districts in 2011, and all the districts individually has been taken care of. I do hope that this book will serve not only to the student community but to the all sections of the society.